Hello everyone, welcome to day 12 of learning DSA and development. So in my yesterday's video, I told you that I have done the requirement gathering for the Razorpay clone project. So today I am going to share the entities which I have listed down on Mermaid AI. So let's get started. So actually the first main entity is the merchant. Merchant could be understood by taking an example such as H&M or Zara. They are going to use our service, so they are a merchant. Then the merchant is mapped to the API user with one-to-many mapping. So the API key is a key which will help the front end and back end to communicate. Then moving on to the app user. So the merchant to app user, we have a one-to-many mapping. The app user will be a user which has the access to merchant credentials. For example, in Zara is going to use our service of the Razorpay. So many of the people working in Zara could have the access to the credentials. Okay, then moving on, we have a customer. The customer will be a person who shops from that merchant. So this table consists of that credentials which we are going to take the input of. Then it has one to many mapping with the with merchant webhook config. Actually, it is a config which will help the Razorpay and the merchant's backend to communicate. It is a communication thing between between them both. After that, moving to the order ID. The order ID consists the info of the order. Then it has the one to many mapping with the payment. Okay, the payment, we have took many of the fields. Then we have the one to many mapping with the with refund. If we want to do refund, then what should we consider? We have taken the note of all it in this table. And also we have okay, there's an issue. The payment transaction log is over here, but it should be linked. That I will link later on. So the payment transaction log consists of various fields that when the payment was initiated, when from where to where. Okay, that all consist. Over here we have took an actor is specifically the state of change, means the change in the state machine. Okay, then we have token vault card. Actually, a vault card, as per the PCI SS compliance, we cannot store the card information to. So we need to consider all that factors. There are actually 12 factors in it. So we need to consider it. Okay, then we can't use the card info directly. We need to tokenize it for the security purpose. So we have created a card token table over here. Then we have created an webhook event which will trigger for the communication, and we will retry 7 times, and there will be a gap between them. Example, first retry will be on 5 minutes, then second will be on 15, then 30. So it will retry, but if it doesn't get the data, then it will be sent to the DLQ event. And as you know that the money is transferred from the issuer bank to the settlement bank, means Razorpay will have an account where the amount will be transferred from the issuer's account, and then Razorpay will do the settlement as per their policy, and then the amount will be transferred from the settlements account to the merchant's account after the as per their policy. So this was the ER diagram which I have drawn with the help of Mermaid AI. So in tomorrow's video, I will show you the coding part which I will do for this creating these entities. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for day 13. Thank you.